Welcome to my new tutorial on enabling activity status on Instagram. If you've ever wanted your followers to know when you were last active on this social network, activity status is the feature that allows you to do just that. In this detailed guide, we'll walk through the steps to enable this option on your Instagram profile. Don't worry, the steps are simple and quick, so you'll be ready to use this feature in no time. If you're ready, let's get started. Open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, when you're on your profile, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them. In this section, scroll down, look for the Messages and Story Replies option, and tap on it. Now, tap on the Show Activity Status option. And then, simply tap on the switch next to the Show Activity Status option, and that's it. Very quick and easy, right? I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Stay well, friends, and see you in the next video.